Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Doggy, what did you do? Welcome back, everybody, to another unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at a box from Hessen Antique. I actually tried to film this a couple times and lost power due to a battery issue with this camera, and now I've got a new power setup, direct wired, so hopefully we will not have a power interruption. So let's go ahead and recreate this unboxing. Basically, none of this stuff has left the room, so it's basically everything's still here. Maybe I can actually improve my dialogue on this a little bit, because there's a lot of unbagging and etc. Although, just keep in mind, everything that came here in the box was individually wrapped very nicely. So take that as it is. Again, this is from Hessen Antique. They have a large variety of items on their website. Feel free to check them out. Hessen Antique. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's recreate our unboxing here in probably a more efficient manner. First off, right on the top, we've got an East German AK blank adapter. Basically attaches to your muzzle right there. Next, we have a East German brown vinyl map case used. So if I recreate the way it was actually arrived, pardon me, I was already snooping through it, but basically it has multi-positional clasp. And that's how it's possibly stored in its tightest form. But let's say there's more than one document or map in there, you can adjust the width of its closure so that you can accommodate a fully packed case. So if you open it, there is a small little pocket here for an item, possibly a compass device, pen, something, chalk, plum marker, who knows. Feel free to leave a comment in the comments. We have a binding strap across the front, and then an actual internal closure that keeps the contents inside. So here we have a plastic cover area where you can tuck in a quick access map or document, and then we also have a padded one on this side, and then we have this pocket, large pocket there, as well as two smaller pockets here. So it's quite versatile, and I might actually work this into my daily office materials when I don't need to bring everything to the office for, let's say, a brief visit. And there is also this shoulder strap that will attach at these points here. I'm actually going to go ahead and do that. And it is adjustable with many adjustable points right there. And I'm not even sure I'm attaching this correctly. I will adjust that later. You can see how that works. So again, map case, East German. Next, if I recall correctly, this is it actually has an identifying tag on it, which really helps. Dutch Camo load bearing vest used. So you can see it has the Dutch Camo DPM pattern. Has clasps across the front, two of them, a large waist clasp, adjustable, as you can see, and let's say somebody attached a loop there, a couple of loops actually. Not sure if they came with them. The material does appear different. Might have been a field modification. No, actually, because these strings look like be the same type. So these ones may actually be a field modification here. But you can see how possibly this can be repurposed in the field. These laces can be adjusted with these lace pulls, stops, however you want to call them. And that's about all I can see. Oh, large shoulder pads, of course. And here's our back cross piece there. And these straps are also adjustable as well. And here's our back pad. Right there. Dutch Camo load-bearing vest. Next up we have a Belgian Army Modular Camo vest, used, large. And this one actually, as you can see, has two inner Velcro attachment points, and then you can fold it over for the large Velcro strip, and then has 3 snap points, bottom, middle, top. So secured across the front. Here's our rank epaulet across the front there. And let's see, Belgian Camo pattern. We have numerous loop points there, 2 on each side at the waist area. We turn it over, there's more loop points on the back to attach stuff, and continue around the waist area. We have adjustment straps on both sides near the waist area. And label wise, this happens to have a care tag and somebody's name scribbled on there. Let's look quickly back at the Dutch one. I don't think there was any labels on this that I can see. Nope. So, continuing, let me set these aside. A lot of room on this surface. Let's go with the Spanish leather belt. You can see it's kind of wide, has 2 retention loops there, and came with a buckle. I do believe that's the logo. Very nice. Has a nice little bit of tarnish on it, and then a retention slider as well, still in the package. And let's see, this is a Swiss Camo rucksack with straps. I do believe it is M83 pattern with the red. So this is not the rucksack that attaches to the parka. This is actually a standalone rucksack. You can see actual shoulder straps, and then a cross chest attachment, well, closure, so to speak. Marking 74-75 size. And pocket wise, you got side pockets, 2 side pockets with their own snap. Well, correction, they don't have snaps. They do have a loop though, like that. So you can possibly attach something to the loops. And then there's one main pocket. Let's see how many snaps that has. 3. 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle. And there's also a loop down here at the bottom. Looks like a couple drainage grommets, and as well as on the side pockets as well. 2 drainage grommets there. 2 drainage grommets there. Very nice. Set that aside. And then we have, let's see, Swiss Camo M83 field jacket. It says used, but it's very crisp. Has a zipper front, goes down that far, that much material beyond there. Basic hem. Pockets at the top only. 2 snaps on each pocket. Like that. And the other one on this side. This sleeve, right sleeve, we have reinforced elbow, elasticized cuff with zipper. This sleeve, we actually have a sleeve pocket, single snap, extra button on there, and likewise elasticized cuff with zipper. Shirt collar, style collar. Let's see if there's any tags in here out of view. Just this one, the care tag and material tag. We look at the back. Do have the large snap at the top loops for a web belt, and that's it. No real expansion area, and we do have the shoulder epaulettes with the button tops right there. And to match with that, I also ordered the Swiss M83 Camo Field Pants. These are used. Let's see, zipper front, snap top, belt loops, 2 at the front, 2 very close to the waist, hips area, side hips, 2 around the back, and 2 more towards the middle, so nothing actually on the middle seam area. Slash pockets both sides. Directly below that are camo pockets, pretty wide with 2 snaps at the ends, some slight bellowing, at the sides and bottom on each one. Knees feel slightly reinforced with double layer material versus the lower shin area, and drawstrings at the bottom. We'll take a look at the behind area. We do have basic bottom, no reinforcement, and a single Velcro pocket on the right hip side. And to round out this order, jingle jangle, German duffel bag lock used. So I'm going to put that on one of my duffel bags, make it all nice and complete. So again, these are all from Hessen Antique. Backtracking again, German duffel bag lock, Swiss Camo M83 field pants and jacket, Swiss Camo rucksack with straps, Belgian Army Modular Camo vest, Dutch Camo load-bearing vest, okay, not quite in reverse order, but Spanish leather belt with buckle, 2 pieces, 3 if you count the belt itself, doi. East German brown vinyl map case, very nice. And we started off with a little doodad, the East German AK blank adapter. Again, these all came from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check them out. On their website, lots of stuff there. It's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos and more specific vintage, milsurp, and tool type items, also expanding to other topics as well as I come across them. We also do a selection of book review media reviews, and we also do curios for the curious videos and more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.